All right, this is number 3. dy dx equals negative 6xy, and f of 0 is 5. So we will, again, start by separating our variables. We'll divide both sides by y to give us 1 over y dy, and multiply both sides by dx, negative 6x dx. Now we take our antiderivative. The antiderivative of 1 over y is, this is where the ln comes in, so that's ln absolute value y. And antiderivative of negative 6x, that's just negative 3x squared plus c. C on the right there. Okay, we will immediately plug in our point, 0, 5. What that is. Okay, 0, 5 to see what c is. And when we do that, we get ln 5 equals negative 3 times 0 squared plus c. So c equals ln 5. So plug that back in. We get ln absolute value y equals negative 3x squared plus ln 5. Alright, these are the ones, whenever we got this ln here, to get the y out, we have to take both sides to the e power, or e to both sides power. Yeah, I say that exactly. So with absolute value of y on the left, over here we've got e to the negative 3x squared plus ln 5. Now remember, when we see this, we can do a little bit of algebra. That's the same as e to the negative 3x squared times e to the ln 5. And then that e to the ln 5, that equals 5. So what we end up with is 5e to the negative 3x squared. Okay, now this is where we have two equations because it's the absolute value of y, so y could either be positive 5e to the negative 3x squared, or y could be negative 5e to the negative 3x squared. Figure out which one it is, we need to use our point. Our point is 0, 5. Remember? So 5 equals 5 times e to the negative, and if I plug in 0 here, I'm just going to have 0. So 5 equals 5. That looks good. I'll just check the other side. 5 equals, yeah, obviously if I plug it in here, I'm going to get negative 5 e to the 0. E to the 0 is 1, so 5 would equal negative 5, which is not true. So our solution is y equals positive 5 e to the negative 3x squared.